Alright, this is the Cub Cadet lt1050. It's been, I've completely gone through it, had to change out a lot of things. The deck lift, cables, one of them was broke, probably because it has this heavy 50-inch deck on it. Had to change out the drive belt and a pulley under there, so I just took everything off, put it on its side, and it had a seized up pulley in that system, which had to be which I got from another one. And then on this motor, of course, you gotta go through the carburetor. This thing probably hadn't been running years. Changed the oil out, put some Lucas in there. Ended up changing out the switch because I think that was one of the culprits of the it might have actually been stuck on start. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop that deck and take it out, because before the owner picks it up, I want to see if I can find the belt for that, which it's been modified. But took everything off, had to take the gas tank out to take this whole thing off. These screws are always going to be a problem for you because they'll be rusted out. Also had a real stuck pulley on this 50-inch deck that didn't move at all. But it's going to be pretty easy to take out, and we'll do that now. Okay, what we got on here now is it's got a stack pulley kind of a situation going on with it. That's the way that that one of the modifications that they made to it. I don't have, it's going to take a B52. This is a B53. I'm going with a fatter belt. Then the A style, or the half-inch style. So it will last a little bit longer. And this deck is really easy to get off. It just has this style, the spring style. Oh, I also had to change out the steering bushing. When these Cub Cadets just keep turning and you don't have any steering, it's that bushing. It's like brass. Alright. This belt is just probably not gonna last too much longer. When it's been sitting a while and it's been rusting, see, I really need to go up underneath these spindle pulleys and knock off that rust, because you can see it kind of some uneven wear in it. It kind of V's it out really bad, and that's what it's done to this belt right here. So I'm gonna get it off. I don't know what size it's gonna be, and the owner doesn't know what size it was, and so I'm gonna see if I can match it up. But I also want to do this because it was hard for me to figure out the routing of this belt, so I'm doing it for myself as well. So if I ever have to work on it again, I'll know how to route that belt. All right, we had a 1/2 inch by 95, which seems to be the replacement good Kevlar belt. This is an interesting modification that they made right here. They put a variable speed variable speed pulley here. This one is the one that goes to the PTO, which I think the best belt is going to be a 5/8 by 5L560 or 5L550, which should give it the extra width. Question is about maybe beefing this up to the 5/8 belt. We would have an issue here, I think, with whatever is going on here. Although when it's turning, it might actually pull that forward a little bit. Actually, I think when it goes towards the front, I think this actually pulls up some. So if he has problems with this belt breaking, but I did. One thing you want to do is you want to fill up under there, and any of that pitted rust, you want to get it off, because it will do this to your belt, where you see that it kind of V's it out, makes it thinner right here on the side walls right here. This belt would not have lasted much longer. All right, so he's supposed to bring the belt today and maybe pick it up today.